What's going on YouTube? Dio, aka Bonds, Urban Tech Reviews, and today on the channel I'll be doing an unboxing and review of the Wisewo Android TV Player Smart TV Box. Now you can get this on Amazon for $56.99, or you can get it for $42.99. Now the reason why there's two different prices is because there's two different models. Now the one model, it just comes with this, which is the TV box, and that's the $42.99 model. Now if you get the other model, you get the mini keyboard with it, and that's the one that is the $56.99. So your decision to make which model that you'd rather roll with. Now what this is a media box that basically turns your smart TV into an Android PC. Now it has full 1080p HD. You can go 2K to 4K resolution, H.265 video decoding, and it has SD and HD max. You can go 1920 by 1080 pixels. Hardware, you have a 3D graphics acceleration. You got 2 gigabytes DDR3, 16 gigabyte eEMC, plus 2.4 gigs of Wi-Fi, and that's like the processor. You got a back chip quad-core Cortex A7, and it runs Android 6.0. All right, now let's open it up and see what we get in the box. All right, what that is. Pop this side open. Let's get all this out of here so we don't need the box no more. Put that over there. All right, now first things first. When we get out here, you get HDMI cable. All right, can't have too many of those. You get an Android TV user manual. And then in this right here, looks like a charger. Yes indeed. So we have the wall charger. It goes into the TV box. We have a remote control for the TV control for the TV box. And then we have the main event, which is the actual TV box. So it's the T9 5D model. Let's get this plastic off of here. Let's take a quick look at it. You got a power button on the top, and you got like a, it looks like a speaker down on the bottom. 4 little I guess you call them like little stands, you know, to keep it level. And then on the back, you have your power source, so you plug it in there. You have the USB port, then you have an Ethernet port, and then you have your HD port, and then right here you have an AV port. All right, let's open up the second part, which is the mini keyboard. Nothing else in there. Then we got this right here. Okay, let's get everything up out of here first. Nothing else in there. Don't need that. Don't need that. You have another user manual. And then right here you have a micro USB to USB cord. So this is your controller right here, your keyboard. So it has a pretty good feel to it. Nice size mini keyboard, and it has a USB stick in here, and it has a rechargeable battery in there. So that's a plus right there, because you ain't gotta always be looking for them C batteries and get you a C battery and all that. So that's a plus. But you got L and R buttons, okay. But this is a full keyboard, you know what I mean? Numbers, letters, you got a home button. Up here you got a volume up, it looks like volume down. That's probably like a menu button, I'm just guessing right now. And it looked like it has some finger type gestures, like if you tap the screen one time or use one hand, you can scroll. With two, you can go up and down. Oh, no. Maybe this is like a left click, my bad. Left click, right click with two fingers like that. But we'll play around with it and see what it's about. So let's, I'm gonna hook this up and then we'll be right back. So real easy to set up. Power cord in there, HDMI cord in there, and then you'll see the first boot. So when it boots up, it'll say boot on there. And then it has the time, which the time is actually 6:04. So we'll have to go in and set the time, but we'll do that in a second. And to let y'all know that this remote does not come with the two AAA batteries that it needs. So you gotta have two AAA batteries on deck to use this remote. Now I think both of these are the same thing. I just think this one is the keyboard and this one isn't or whatever. But we about to check it out and get into it. Alright, now when you first turn it on, this is the screen that you'll see. And if you use this remote right here, you can navigate through everything. So first thing we want to do is try to set up the Wi-Fi on here. So if you go to Wi-Fi right here, you can click it and then you can choose the Wi-Fi that is yours. You can choose it. And when you turn this remote on, it lights up so the keyboard is backlit. So if you go to this right here and click that, then it goes to the apps that are open. So these are all apps that you have currently open right now. And it's just like an Android phone, so you just go to the X and you tap the X and it closes the app. You know, so it closes that. You can close them all. You can close them all by just clicking that, and it closes all your apps. So it's just like an Android device. You click the, this will take you to the home screen. You click that and that'll go back. This is your volume down. This is your volume up right here. This is a screenshot right here. And that right there takes the navigation bar out. So now I search Urban Tech reviews, and that comes up. So now it's the latest review that I did. Let's see if I can get it to play. Alright, so it is playing. Raise the volume a little bit. What's going on, YouTube? Dio, aka Bonds, Urban Tech Reviews. And today you see that I downloaded Kodi on here. So yes, you can download Kodi, and I'll open it to show you. And you can download Kodi builds on here. So you see I got a Kodi build on here. I forgot what it's actually called. Cellar Door TV. Like I said, I'll put the link in the description so you can download this build if you want to. And now it's actually loading up. So you see the title pops in, Kevin Hart now, and you see it's clear HD quality, and that's all coming from the Android TV box. Alright, so you can watch Kodi. You can install Kodi. You can put a build on here, and you can watch actual movies in 1080p from the TV Android box. Sounds like a dope investment to me. Let me end that because I don't want to get no copyright strike. But other things that you can put in here, if you go to my apps, then you see I downloaded Google Chrome. So you can go to Google Chrome, and it loads up just like regular Google Chrome. You see it's logging into my email right now, and you know, I can go straight into my emails. It's just like having a a Windows computer, and you see it goes right into your emails right here. And if I go to inbox, it'll load up my inbox and stuff like that. So that's a dope feature to have if you go and download Google Chrome. If I hit the home button and go back to apps, then I actually have a Gmail app. I got Google, where I could just do a Google search on there. You got the Play Store. This is a Kodi player, I think. You got a photo gallery, so if you downloaded some photos or something in there, you see I got a couple photos in there, some screenshots and stuff. But like I said, I like this. It's something that's cool, you know, for somebody who don't want to sit at the PC all the time. You just whip this out, and you could do anything that you could do on a PC. You could do on here. You can get your YouTube on. You can get your Netflix and chill on. You could get Kodi and watch theater movies on Kodi. You can check your emails. You can do anything that you could do regularly on a computer, laptop, anything like that. You can do on this. So my opinion of this, I would say to get one. They're not that expensive, and it's just something cool to have. You know what I mean? And you can rock with it whenever you want to, or you can gift it to somebody. That's how I always think, man. I always think ahead. You know, I like gifting things to people sometimes. So this would be a dope gift to give to somebody. You know, you might have to give them a little crash course or something to teach them how to use it. But all in all, I mean, this is dope. But it's Dio, aka Bonds Urban Tech Reviews. If you like this video, click that thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you can do that easily by clicking on the little Android guy in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. If you're not following me on all my social media sites, all you got to do is go into the description, click on every one of them links, and you can follow me on every one of my social media sites. And we out.